Hi, I'm Curtis and I want to show you how to store the quadratic formula on your TI-84 Plus graphing calculator. So let's get started. So the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go into the y equals and choose a y menu that you haven't used or you don't use very often. So I scrolled all the way down and put the quadratic formula into y9 and into y0. You'll notice I had to use 2 because of the plus and the minus. Now let's go to the home screen, and I want to store the coefficients for my problem on the home screen. So the problem I want to evaluate is x squared minus 5x minus 6 equals 0. So I'm going to store the coefficients for a, b, and c into the graphing calculator. So let's get started. I'm going to take 1 for a, say store, I'm going to press alpha and then a. And because I want to do this on one line, I'm going to press alpha and the decimal key. That gets me a colon, and that means I can store -5 in for b, and another colon, alpha decimal, and I'm going to store -6 in for c. Now you'll notice when I press enter that the -6 shows up, but the other two were also stored, the -5 and the 1. Now let's evaluate y9. So I'm going to press alpha trace and choose y9. And that'll give me my first intercept. And then if I evaluate y0, press alpha trace and choose 0, I'll get the other intercept. If you want to learn more, subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, and Pinterest at @TICalculators, and visit our webpage at education.ti.com. Thanks, and we'll see you next time.